Today I'll be making breaded chicken tenders in a Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. What we need is chicken tenders, breadcrumbs, egg, and an oil spray. We also need a crisper plate for the air fryer. Crack an egg in a bowl. And let's whisk the egg. And I will put breadcrumbs on a plate. Now my breadcrumbs are already pre-seasoned. If you're using unseasoned breadcrumbs, feel free to add your seasonings. So now I'm going to take each chicken tender and dip it in egg on both sides and dip it in breadcrumbs on both sides. And add it to the crisper plate in the air fryer. Perfect. Now once I'm done breading the chicken tenders, just spread them out so they fit in a single layer. And now I'm going to use an oil spray. There's just one ingredient, avocado oil. So just spray. Now let's put the glass bowl in the air fryer. And now I will turn on the air fryer. And I will be using the default air fry mode, and I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 13 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the glass bowl, and I'm going to flip the chicken tenders over so they brown evenly on both sides. And I'm going to spray this side with the oil spray as well. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these chicken tenders. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. When cooking meat, I always recommend using the instant read thermometer to make sure the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, it's over 165, so they're totally ready. But let's say if you have chicken that's not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer and cook it for an additional few minutes until the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. Do you hear this crisp? Perfect crunchy breading. I can't wait to try. They look so good. Now let me just cut one so I can show you that the inside is perfectly cooked. Juicy meat inside and crispy breading on the outside. So good. Let me cut a small piece. Delicious. Crunchy breading, tender juicy meat. This is perfect, exactly what chicken tenders should be. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for lots and lots of easy air fryer recipes, including the recipes for the glass Ninja Crispi Pro air fryer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!